Hi kindergarten, Miss Hartman here again, and today we're going to be working on some math activities. And since we are not having our Google Meet together, Miss Hartman recorded this for you. So if you need to stop at any time or slow down this video, you can just push pause and then continue on. Okay? So we're just going to start off with a little card game, and I brought my card game here today. And I have lots of different numbers. I'll show you. I took out all my aces and jacks, kings and queens. So this time Miss Hartman's going to play an addition game today. Okay, this is going to be a fun one. So this is a different one than the ones you've been doing in your lessons. So we'll get started. I'm going to lay my cards out down, and I'm going to hold up two at a time. And when I hold my cards up, I want you to point to which one you think is more. Ready? Wait a minute. Is this one more than this one? 6 and 6. No, that's right, they're the same. They're equal to each other. All right, let me see if I can find new match and see if I can find one that's more. Are you ready? That's right. Is this it? No, this is it. 6 is more than 3. You got that one right. All right, let's try another one. I'm trying to trick you. It's not working because you're too smart. Okay, let's try this one. Ready? Point to the one that is more or greater than. Miss Hartman, do you keep on pulling twins? Are those the same number again? They are equal to each other. There's not one that's greater than the other. They're the same. Okay, let's try another. I'm trying to trick you. That's right. 9 is greater than 5. All right, let's try one more. Last one. Oh, again, they're the same or equal to. 5 is the same as 5. Okay, so this time we're going to take our wipe-off board out. So if you can take your wipe-off board out, and we'll put that down on our desk. And then we're going to need a wipe-off marker for this next activity. Okay, we're going to open up our marker, put our cap on the back. Remember our grip. We're going to do our pinch, fingers up, tabletop. And on your board, I want you to keep it a secret. And on your board, I want you to write the number that Miss Hartman says. Okay? And as I say the numbers, you're going to try to remember what they look like and write them on your board. At the end, we're going to show each other our numbers and see if we got them in the right order. Okay? Remember, before you start writing, you always want to start on the left side, and you're going to write your numbers across from the left to the right. And if you run out of room, you can go back down over on the left side and keep on writing from the left to the right. Okay? All right, we're ready for our mystery numbers. Here we go. First number is 7. 7. Visualize. See it in your mind. What does a 7 look like? The next number is 1. You remember what 1 looks like. I know you do. The next number is 4. Think about what that looks like. How do you form a 4? One more. This next number is an 8. How do you make an 8? We went over that in some of my groups last week. Are you ready to show your numbers? We're going to show them in 3, 2, 1. Let me see your numbers. Check them against mine. See if you have the same ones. Do you have a 7? Good. You just go across the sky and down. Good job. Got a number 1? Number 1 is fun. Straight down, it's done. My 4 says down and over and down once more. That's the way to make a 4. And then we have make an S but do not wait. This is how you make an 8. Wonderful. Kiss your brain. You're so smart. Okay, let's try to erase this one, and we'll do one more set of numbers today. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to throw my eraser over to the side. Okay, here's my next mystery numbers. 12. Do you know what 12 looks like? 12. Let me think about where does that come in the number line? 10, 11, 12. Oh, I remember what that looks like. Okay, how about this one? 3. Next number, 6. And the last number is 2. Are you ready to show me? Let me see what you know. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Check out your numbers and see if they match mine. Do you have a 12? And a 3? 6? And a 2? Good for you. That's fantastic. That 12 is really tricky. A 1 and then a 2 for 12. A lot of friends think that this one is a 20, but it's actually a 12. You know what a 20 would look like? Would be a 2 and a 0. That would be 20. Okay, I'm going to put my board down. I'm going to erase it. Good job. I finished that activity. And now I'm going to close up my marker. Make sure that you put your cap on correctly and you snap it good so it doesn't dry out. And now for my next activity is I'm going to see if I recognize the number. Let's see if I recognize my number. I'm going to mix them up. I'm going to mix them up. I wonder which one will land on top. All right, let's see what it's going to be. Are you ready? Did you see that one? Did you know the number name? Let me hear it. That's right, 21. 9. 18. 16. 1. I know that one. There's that 20. A 2 and a 0. 20. 5. 2. 17. 19. And a 14. Very good. You did a good job with your numbers today. And the last activity is we're going to practice counting back and forth with an object. So you need to go find an object in your house that you can pass back and forth. But today we're going to start counting from a certain number. Okay, we're not going to start at 1, 2. This time I'm going to give you a number and you're going to start at that number and keep on going until Miss Hartman says stop. Okay, I'm actually going to use my chime today. So like for instance, if I said let's start at 12 and you started passing at 12, 13, 14, 15, and then if you hear the chime you have to stop. Okay, are you ready? Okay, the number is 28. Let's start at 28 and let's count on until you hear the chime. Ready? 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. We have to stop. 82. Can you start at 82 and keep on counting? And when you hear the chime, you can stop. Do you think you can do it? 82. Ready? Remember, each number has to pass into the other hand. 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. What comes next? 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Wow, that was fantastic. I bet you could probably do this with someone in your family and you could give them a number and see if they can do it as fast as they can, but they have to make sure they switch hands. That's the hard part. Let's try one more. Let's try starting at 37. You ready? 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Oh, 45 is where we stopped. Excellent job, kindergarten. Thank you so much for joining me today for a little bit of math. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning at morning meeting. Have a great evening and day of learning. Bye.